Laminate flooring is very durable, easy to clean, and installs quickly. In fact, most DIYers can complete a room in one day. This overview gives you a good idea of what's involved. Keep in mind, an underlayment is required. The floor floats on the underlayment. It isn't glued down. It's held in place by quarter-round molding, and it can be installed over wood or concrete subfloors. Subfloors must be solid, flat, and clean. If you're installing below grade or in a room with high humidity or moisture, a vapor barrier is required. Always lay out the unopened boxes of planks in the room so they can acclimate to the temperature and humidity. You'll be cutting the trim around doorways because it's easier than cutting the flooring to match the molding's irregular shape. The flooring will just slip under it, leaving a more finished look. You'll need to figure out how the entire floor will lay out in order to ensure the planks on either side of the room are similar in size. Our full-length project guide will walk you through this simple process. Next, you'll cut the planks using a table saw, miter saw, circular saw, or hand saw. If your product didn't come with an attached underlayment, you'll need to roll that out and trim it to size. Next, you will start installing your rows. Keep in mind, first row planks should have the tongue side facing the wall. At the end of the first row, cut the length of plank needed to complete the row. Always allow a 3/8 inch gap at each end for floor expansion. Start the second row with the part of the plank you cut off at the end of the first row if it's longer than a foot. If it's not, start the row with the plank cut to a length greater than a foot. You'll also want to stagger the seams, which will result in a more natural-looking appearance. Seams should be staggered at least 6 inches from any adjacent seam. Once all the laminate flooring has been installed, you'll wrap up by installing matching thresholds and quarter-round molding to the walls using finishing nails. For more detailed information on this and other popular projects, check out the DIY Projects and Ideas section of HomeDepot.com or talk to one of our associates.